Hi everyone, I'm going to take a look at this Dewalt TSTAK kit that I've picked up today. Now this is a split from this particular set here. This is just the drill, the driver, a charger and a couple of batteries, but you can buy it as a complete kit where you get a circular saw, the jigsaw, excuse me, and the lamp with an additional battery all in a secondary TSTAK case. But I just wanted the this particular case with the tools already in it with the nice inserts. So part of the reason I like these cases is they're very well made. I mean, you've got a really strong handle there. This one's designed to be at the top of your stack, where you just clip it on, so you can open this one up. But they also have very nice strong metal hinges along the back here. No plastic as such, it's just a metal bar all the way through there, so they're nice and strong. And this being a TSTAK 2, it comes with a nice little feature that's hidden away. Normally you just open the clips up to access your tools, which I'll come to in a moment, all inside the case. But this particular case has a little extra party piece where the lid opens and you've got nice deep areas to put all your bits in, like impact drivers. You might have, you know, all those little bits and pieces that are rattling around in your pocket when you're on a job, like, you know, assorted wall plugs, screws, bolts, whatever. So you can put bits and all sorts of things, and even small tools if you wanted. So I think that's quite a nice touch for this particular little case. So it's more like an actual toolbox than a tool case, if you get my meaning. So on with the actual kit itself, we've got a freebie hat for some reason, a Dewalt cap, but inside they're both brushless tools, and they both come with a 5 amp battery, so that's 2 5 amp batteries you get in this particular kit. So as you can see, they're quite nice. This one being a DCD796, which is a cordless hammer drill driver, all metal built, different speeds on the top, and as I say, it's already got the battery on, which being a 5 amp is pretty much as big as you can go on one of these. Variable speed trigger, quite heavy and built in light, and unlike some of the other drills that Dewalt do, this is a short depth one, so it's not quite as deep as a normal standard size drill, so it's a lot handier for getting to small spaces. So that's quite nice. As I say, it's quite heavy, well made, nice rubber feeling on it. And then we have a driver, an impact driver. I must admit I've never owned an impact driver before, but I thought I've done quite a lot of jobs recently where there's been railway sleepers, etc., and a standard drill's really not up to hammering in like a 6-8 inch hex bolt, so I thought I'd try one of these instead. Again, nicely made, metal gearbox, 5 amp battery again on it, adjustable speed triggers again, and this one is a DCF887. Here you get your standard charger as well with this, and as I say, 2 batteries already mounted, and you also get the nice pre-moulded inlay for this TSTAK case. You can buy these cases on their own, and they'll either come with nothing in it, depending where you've bought it from, or with like a foam insert where you pull out all the little plugs to make the holes for what sort of tools you want to put in. But all in all, I just thought I'd share that with you because it's quite a nice little kit, this one, I think. As I say, I didn't buy the complete kit. I think the complete kit for this, where you get 5 tools and 3 batteries, I think it's something like £700–800. I didn't bother. This was from a Dewalt authorised seller on eBay, who normally sells this kit for £299. This particular kit, should I say, with the impact driver, the batteries. So impact driver, normal driver, charger, and 2 5 amp batteries. Usually about £299, but there was a 20% coupon on eBay recently, on eBay UK, which brought this down to I think it was 220. It came out at 222 or something like that, something daft. But it was basically an £80 saving, so I'd had my eye on it for a while, so I thought, you know, it's probably about as cheap as it's going to get for something that's like this. And it's a lot more expensive. The batteries alone are something like £60–70 each, so I bit the bullet, and that's it. So as I say, I think it's a nice little case. This especially, the cases alone are about £30–40. The fact you can use it as a tool case as well, just to keep your little bits and pieces in along with your drills. It's a nice little addition. And with it being a TSTAK case, you can put all your extra ones underneath. I've already got a brushless multi-tool in its case which can go with this, and I've also got the pull-out drawers, a nice storage drawer, which is a nice unit again for putting all your fixings and everything, which I'll cover in another video at some point. So I hope you like that. Please like and subscribe, and as always, be safe. Bye for now.